In this video, I'll talk about how you can make a Temu affiliate strategy for TikTok. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to affiliate program on Temu, and you want to make sure you sign up for the affiliate program. Once you're in here, you want to come down here and you want to make sure that you have your referral links. These are the ones you're going to earn money from when people use these. So make sure you do that. And as you can see here, what you'll receive are commissions. So you'll get 10 to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, as well as you'll get around $12 or $13, I believe this is, for every referral who downloads and orders. So this is how it works. Now you'll also have these save. This one is for all users and not only new app users. So even if they already have the app, you can still use this one, copy it, and if you use that, you're still gonna earn something. So the strategy you wanna do is in here. First, you wanna choose your niche, and this can be fashion, tech, home decor, beauty products, and it can also be anything else that you think of. So you wanna just think of anything you wanna make your page about, create your page, make a logo, give it a good name. You can use ChatGPT for that or something. And then you wanna make the content. So you can do unboxing videos, you can do hauls and reviews, especially if it's clothes and stuff. You can make before and after transformations, trendy challenges, or you can use Temu hacks, which is basically say a Temu hack and show how you can get really cool deals and discount codes and stuff. After that, you just want to use TikTok to make the sales, the referral codes. So you can pin your affiliate link in your comments. I don't believe you can have it on your profile unless you put it into a link tree. So you can go make a link tree, put the affiliate link in the link tree, and then put the link tree in your bio. And then you should reply to comments, and you can also use these hashtags, Temu finds, budget shopping, TikTok made me buy it, since they have a lot of views. So that is how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.